In this video, I will demonstrate disabling the computer browser service, creating and configuring the GPO named GPOE, and creating the WMI filter. Then I will demonstrate that the even number computer applies the policy and that the odd number computer does not apply the policy. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create the GPO. So we're going to go to Group Policy Management Snap-in. We're going to right click on domain01.local and click Create GPO. We're going to call this GPOE. We're going to click OK. We're going to right click on GPOE and then click Edit. We're going to go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, Security Options, and we're going to scroll down to Interactive Logon, Do Not Require Control-Alt-Delete. We're going to define this policy setting and click Enable and click OK. And we're going to close out of here. And now we're going to create the WMI filter. We're going to call this one Browser Filter, just to keep it simple. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a query. So we're going to click Add, type in Select, an asterisk from Win32 service, where name equals browser and start mode equals disabled. So now we're going to apply this WMI filter to this GPOE. So as you can see, we click the drop down menu, select browser filter, and click OK, and then close it on the snap-in. Now we're going to go to Administrative Tools and Services, and we're going to make sure that the computer browser service is not disabled, so we're going to change it to manual, because we do not want the GPOE policy to be applied to the odd number computer. So we're going to command prompt, we're going to do gp update force. So now that that is finished, we're going to go back to command prompt, and we're going to type in gp result/r. This will give us a breakdown of what policies have been applied to this computer. So if we scroll up to the computer settings section, you'll see that it says that the following GPOs were not applied because they were filtered out. And then we have GPOE, and WMI filter, browser filter, which is exactly what we want. So we're going to do the same exact process on RWDC02. We're going to force GP to update. Now we're going to do GP result/R. We're going to scroll back up to the computer configuration settings. As you can see, the GPOE has been applied to this server. This is one way to verify that our settings have worked, but another way is to use the RSOP snap-in. And what this does is it shows us exactly which policies are being defined on this computer. So if we go down to Local Policies, Security Options, and if we scroll down to Interactive Logon, Do Not Require Control-Delete, you'll see it is enabled, and that the source GPO is a GPOE, which means that this policy is also defined on this computer. So again, the last method we're going to use to verify this is we're going to log off. And as you can see, we were not prompted to press Control-Alt-Delete. This is the end of my lab video for Lab 10 in INTC 2050. See you next time.